Do you know the difference between trying and training? You've probably heard the quote, do or do not. There is no try. But most people misunderstand the deeper point. They think it's about confidence or ability, but it's not. It's about the difference between attempting something and training for it, because trying leaves room for negotiation, whereas training builds the habit of follow through regardless of how we feel. Trying depends on our mood. Training relies on repetition. Trying says, I hope I follow through. Training says, this is what I do now. And those are two very different identities. Most people want to change their life, but without building the structure that actually supports the change. When we say, I'm trying to be more disciplined, what we're really saying is, maybe if it's convenient and I feel like it, and let's be honest, it's rarely convenient. Have you ever found yourself saying, I'm trying to wake up earlier so I can, or I'm trying to get healthy, but every time you stop feeling motivated, you stop following through? That's why people stay stuck between intention and execution. Think about it. An athlete doesn't wake up feeling motivated every day. A musician doesn't feel inspired every day. People with strong habits are not better because they feel like it more than anyone else. They trained repetition until the behavior became their routine. That's the difference. Your brain builds identity from what you repeatedly do, not what you repeatedly intend. So when you constantly say, I'm trying, your nervous system learns hesitation, negotiation, and it feels uncertainty. But repeating follow through teaches something else. It teaches, this is who I am now. And no, this does not require perfection. It requires repetition. Most transformations don't happen in dramatic moments. It happens in quiet moments where you could have avoided something, but you didn't. Getting up when you wanted to stay in bed, doing the task that you kept postponing, following through when it would have been easier not to. That is where identity changes, because every repeated action reinforces who you are becoming. And eventually, discipline stops feeling forced. It starts becoming a habit. So stop asking, how do I feel today? Instead, ask yourself, what does a person in training do right now? Because whatever you repeat is who you become. Follow me for more morning empowerment. Click on the link in the description below or in the bio.